And like you said, it is a really interesting space. It's a space that's really growing. I've been in this space for years now. Before jumping in fully into Ducat, my background was in software. And it was just really mind-blowing to me. First of all, after reading the Bitcoin white paper, I read the Bitcoin white paper back in 2017. I still didn't fully grasp what was going on, but as you start putting the pieces together, you go, oh wow, this world that we're living in is actually very mendable, and there is a lot of technology that actually can benefit a lot of people. And that's kind of my take on like Bitcoin as a whole. And I'm really passionate specifically about what we're building at Ducat for the reason is like we are taking Bitcoin and we are trying to unlock that liquidity from Bitcoin. So we're a little bit different than a lot of DeFi projects. A lot of DeFi projects, maybe your listeners might know about like the Ethereum virtual machine or Solana or other blockchains, and they've kind of seen Bitcoin as this like thing in the industry that is just kind of sit and hold. And Ducat is trying to take that sit and hold mentality and say, you know what, actually you can do something with your Bitcoin, and you can do it right on Bitcoin, which is the really, really interesting part. So happy to jump in and dive into that today.